A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, a Greenlight and shell deco or shell livery. I got me the 2021 Chevy Corvette Stingray Coupe with a really cool shell deco, and we have this Hitch and Tow set. This is from the series 20, the 2019 Chevy Silverado with the small cargo trailer. So, I have to say the Corvette and this Chevy Silverado are not my favorite cars. I would not say that this is something spectacular. I bought these two because of this really cool livery. So I would say let's put the Chevy with the cargo trailer in the background and let's start with the Corvette. If you are new to this channel or if you're not familiar with stuff from Greenlight, they have a huge variety of cars, really cool cars, and I think they have a very fair pricing in my opinion. Normally such a car here you can get for, I would say, €8 here in Germany. I don't know what they cost in other countries, but that's what they cost here. The problem is they often have some quality issues. There can be minor issues, major issues. You can watch my other videos and you will see what I mean. The good thing here on this car so far is I don't see anything wrong with it through the packaging. So as you can see, this guy here is from the Running on Empty series 13. This is the typical Greenlight packaging. These plastic blisters. They are really cool for displaying the cars and storage. The problem is, once they are opened, you have a lot of waste and you can't, you can put the cars back in, but it doesn't look very good. I think Mini GT and other brands do a better job on that. Anyways, as you can see, I already cut the packaging open so then that you don't have to hear to the annoying sounds of the plastic and the scissor going along. So let's take this card out, put it in the background. Now let's take a look at this guy here. As you can see, there's a rubber band, and that normally means you can take something off the roof in this case. But I would say we start with something special. So take a look at the wheels. We have 5-spoke rims, black 5-spoke rims, and that is something special. You see brake discs and calipers. I think this is the first Greenlight car that has this, or not that the first Greenlight car, it's the first Greenlight car that I own that has brake discs and calipers. So to me it's something special. Unfortunately you see the discs and the calipers are turning with the wheel. But if you put it on display like this and I don't know, put it in the right position, it does look very good in my opinion. So let's take a quick look. So I think it's hard to see on the camera. These are inserted headlights with painting on top. So it's look a bit strange. The big shell on the hood. Corvette badge on the front. We got a nice wing, and these are painted taillights, but they do look very good. Nice 3D look. We got painted exhaust tips and a Shell license plate. And we have these racing stripes that go over the whole car. So let's go on and take off this rubber band. Cool. So be careful that you, oops, and there goes the roof. So now we have a convertible and you can take a look inside. It's got a nice steering wheel. So it's a little bit more squared than round, like I think the original Corvette or the real Corvette is also a steering wheel like this one here. Yeah, I really like the deco, and the best thing so far, well, here's a, as you can see, down here's a little paint chip, but that's a minor issue. Look at this, these are really cool details. Also the Shell logo on the wing. It's a plastic piece. So this one does look very cool. When I didn't mention it, these Greenlight cars normally have a metal body, a metal base and rubber tires. And now let's see if this one is a roller. Okay, it does look roll very good. Cool. Now let's put the roof back on. So that's also very common on these Greenlight cars. I mean, this roof just lays on there. It doesn't, there's nothing that, you can't fix it. It's just a piece. If you put it on display, you can put it on or take it off. So let's put this aside, and for a short comparison, here is the this is the I think this is the Matchbox version. Yes, there's also a red version of the Corvette C8. You can see. I mean, this is a €1 car, and for that price, I think it does look very cool. And Hot Wheels, I think it's also from last year, also brought out this racing version. This is the C8R. I think there was a yellow version too, but I don't have it. So I really like this one. I mean, it would be perfect if the brake discs and calipers wouldn't turn with the wheel, but that's the way it is. I mean, it's a car for €8, so you can't expect too much. And I also already noticed it has no side mirrors. But as I said, I bought this, I mean, because of this really cool livery. So let's put the top back on and park it. Oops, and the top is off again. So let's go on with the 2019 Chevy Silverado with the small cargo trailer. So I don't own too many of these hitch and tow sets. One of them is this one here. you can see this is the Rocky set. I'll show it to you shortly. This is a very cool set. I did an unboxing with this. I put a link in the description down below. In my opinion, really good, no quality issues. So I bought another set that I can keep in the packaging because I also like this really cool Rocky packaging. So, and for a comparison, here's the other one. And with this guy here, this is a Ford F150X XLT, sorry for that. So this guy here had some quality issues. It was kind of bananaed. I put a link in the description down below when I did an unboxing with that. But now you can see everything is straight. I did fix it. It wasn't too complicated. You can, I think next time I will make a video of this, but it was the first time I did it. You can drill up the rivets. And as you can see, the problem is this third rivet right here because it's covered by that trailer hitch. So you have to take this off, it's glued on, yeah, and afterwards you can glue it back on its place. If you're asking yourself how this holds together after drilling up, I just glued it together. So now it does look very good. As I said, I put the link in the description below. So here we go now. A quick look at the packaging. These are the other sets from the Series 20. I also cut this package open. So, and here is one important thing. You have to be careful that you don't throw this away, the trailer jack. This is unfortunately a plastic piece. So, and so let's do this first and let's take or try if it goes in right here. Sometimes that's not so easy, but looks good. Okay, so it's not always working, but in this case you can see everything went well. So let's start with this one. Oh, this is heavy. A lot of die cast. So Chevy Silverado, as I said, nothing too exciting. We got some, I don't know what that is, stuff on the windshield. Let's see if we can polish this or if it's on the inside. Well, I guess it's on the inside, nothing too dramatic. So this one here is also reflective inlays on the mirrors. Also plastic, metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. Okay, it's very hard, rubber. And is there a number on it? Oh, it says 248, I think is the production number, and you can see we got the trailer hitch, which is also plastic. Painted taillights, a big Chevrolet lettering on the tailgate. I think this one has no opening parts. Nope. think it does look very cool, and as I said, very, very heavy. Cool front with the Chevy logo. As I said, best thing I can see, no quality issues so far, besides this, let's say, a little dirty window with some, I don't know what that is. Anyways. Well, I mean, the wheels could look a little better, could be nicer rims with, let's say, real holes, so not the prettiest wheels ever, but all in all, really cool. Let's see if this one is a roller. It rolls. And now let's see if we can hitch it on, and yeah. Yeah, really cool. Oh, let's take a... Did forget to show you the this little trailer. So normally you can open these. No, I think I need something. So let's see if we can open the trailer. Oh. Let's try it with the knife. I won't give up. Yeah, and there we go. So, can put some stuff in there. Really cool. So this one has also, yeah, a little, as you can see, this plate here is metal. The rest is plastic. So the good thing for this video, no real quality issues, or let's say really, really minor issues, and that is a good thing. Two nice cars, or a car and a pickup with a really cool deco and a trailer. If you did like this video, then I would say give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye!